Hello everyone, this is just a bonus video for Monday. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Voron 2.2's printed 82 pulleys with your 2.4. Normally this specific design doesn't work with the 2.4's drives, and that's because these buttonhead screws are a little too tall and they interfere with the front of the design. And the solution is pretty simple. You just remove these screws and then replace them with any grub screws that you have, preferably long ones like these, but if you don't have any, should work theoretically. So yeah, that's about it. So let's quickly do it. And now that they are removed, we just need to replace them with grub screws, as I said. So you just insert them and get them started. And the bit for these are different. You use 2mm bits with M3 buttonheads. With these it's 1.5mm, so yeah, you need to change your bit. And that's about it. As you can see, there's nothing protruding far from the front of this anymore, and yeah, this should work. So as you can see, this was pretty simple. So yeah, while you are waiting for your China parts from pouch or whatever to arrive, you can just use this simple trick to use the old pulleys that you have. And yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.